Unlocking new opportunities for business promotion with YouTube Shorts advertising. Finding new ways to promote your business with YouTube Shorts advertising. Shorts is a new feature on YouTube that lets users make and share videos that are 60 seconds or less. In response to the growing popularity of short-form video material, with millions of viewers tuning in each day to watch Shorts, this feature has swiftly acquired appeal. Because of this, companies are beginning to recognize the advertising opportunity that Shorts provides. A fresh approach to promoting goods and services to a sizable and interested audience is provided by YouTube Shorts advertising. Businesses may effectively attract viewers' attention and convey their message by producing brief and engaging films. YouTube's targeting features also allow marketers to target consumers according to demographics like age, region, and interests. We will look at the advantages of YouTube Shorts advertising for companies in this post, along with some advice on how to make successful Shorts advertisements. The many kinds of Shorts advertising that are accessible and how companies may use them to meet their marketing objectives will also be covered. Businesses may use YouTube Shorts advertising to promote sales, engagement, and brand exposure because it has the ability to reach millions of people. Understanding YouTube Shorts. A new tool called YouTube Shorts enables users to make and share 60-second or less short films. Users who are on the run or seeking for quick amusement will find these videos ideal as they are made to be easily and quickly consumed. With a full-screen perspective that is ideal for mobile devices, Shorts are presented in a vertical style. With features like text overlays, music, and filters that can help draw viewers in, they are also made to be extremely entertaining. The process of creating a short entails users opening the YouTube app on their mobile device, then tapping the Create button. From there, customers can record a fresh video or upload an already existing one, and then enhance it with text, music, and other features. Shorts give companies a fresh way to advertise their goods and services to a larger audience. By producing interesting and educational shorts, companies can draw in viewers and increase traffic to their websites or social media accounts. All things considered, YouTube Shorts are a fantastic new approach for companies to engage with their target market and market their goods and services in an entertaining and interesting way. Through proficiency in Shorts and the production of superior content, companies can seize fresh chances for expansion and prosperity. Why use YouTube Shorts for advertising? A relatively new feature on the platform that lets users create and share short-form video content is called YouTube Shorts. You might be thinking as a business owner if Shorts is something you should take into account for your advertising plan. The following are some justifications for thinking about promoting your brand with YouTube Shorts. 1. Reach a wider audience. YouTube is one of the most widely used social media sites worldwide, with over 2 billion monthly active users. A fresh and expanding audience that would not have found your business through conventional advertising means can be reached by producing Shorts content. 2. Cost-effective. When compared to more conventional forms of advertising such as print or television commercials, the cost of producing Shorts content is comparatively low. It's not necessary to pay a professional videographer or spend a lot of money on expensive equipment, when you can make excellent Shorts videos with your smartphone. 3. Engage your audience. Short films are an excellent method to establish a connection with your audience because they are made to be captivating and attention-grabbing. You can increase brand awareness and loyalty by producing content that speaks to your target demographic. 4. Stand out from the competition. Comparing Shorts to other content categories on the platform, there is less competition for attention because it is a relatively new offering. You can make a lasting impression on potential clients and differentiate yourself from the competition by producing short content. To summarize, YouTube Shorts offer a fresh and fascinating chance for companies to interact with their clientele, attract a larger audience, and differentiate themselves from rivals. Shorts is a format that is both affordable and interesting, so you should really think about including it into your advertising campaign. Creating effective YouTube Shorts advertisements. Understanding your audience. It's critical to comprehend your target demographic before producing a YouTube Shorts advertisement. Who are they, and what matters to them? What are their problems, and how might your offering address them? By doing out market research, you may find the answers to these queries and produce content that appeals to your target audience. Creating engaging content. It's time to provide interesting content after you have a firm understanding of your audience. Remember that YouTube Shorts are very brief films, so make sure your content is both clear and captivating. Make your video unique by using captivating images, catchy music, and compelling captions. It's crucial to highlight the special qualities and advantages of your product or service while showcasing it in use. Optimizing for mobile viewing. It's important to optimize your video for mobile viewing because the majority of YouTube Shorts viewers do so on their smartphones. Ensure that your video is suited for small screens and is oriented vertically. Make use of messaging that is simple to understand even in the absence of sound. Make sure your video loads fast and doesn't require a lot of bandwidth.
All things considered, developing compelling content.
Optimizing for mobile viewing and having a thorough grasp of your audience are necessary for producing successful YouTube Shorts ads. These pointers can help you produce engaging videos that will benefit your company. Leveraging YouTube Shorts features for advertising. Businesses are given fresh chances to advertise their goods and services on YouTube Shorts as the platform continues to grow in popularity. The following are some strategies for utilizing YouTube Shorts features for advertising. Utilizing the Shorts shelf. A carefully chosen collection of Shorts videos may be seen on the YouTube site under the Shorts shelf section. Businesses can exhibit their Shorts movies to a larger audience by using this service. In order to enhance the likelihood of their Shorts shelf feature, companies ought to concentrate on producing captivating, high-caliber Shorts videos that comply with YouTube's community standards. Making use of hashtags. As with other social media sites, YouTube Shorts films are much easier to find thanks to hashtags. To make their Shorts films more visible, businesses should look up and utilize relevant hashtags. It is crucial to remember that utilizing an excessive number of hashtags or ones that are unrelated will lower engagement. Engaging with comments. Using comments to interact with viewers is a great method to foster relationships and boost interaction with Shorts films. Companies should embrace the chance to offer more details about their goods and services and reply to comments in a timely and courteous manner. Businesses might discover new avenues for promotion and advertising by making use of YouTube Shorts features. There are several methods to raise the exposure and interaction of Shorts movies, like using the Shorts shelf, hashtags, or leaving thoughtful comments. Measuring success of YouTube Shorts advertising. Businesses should concentrate on a few critical criteria when assessing the effectiveness of YouTube Shorts advertising. Businesses may optimize their performance and assess the success of their advertising initiatives by monitoring these KPIs and taking data-driven decisions. YouTube Analytics. With the help of YouTube Analytics, businesses may gain invaluable insights about their advertising initiatives. Businesses may better understand how their Shorts are performing and make necessary improvements. By analyzing analytics like views, watch time, and engagement. Audience retention metrics. Metrics for audience retention are yet another crucial component to take into account when assessing the effectiveness of YouTube Shorts advertising. Businesses may learn how long viewers are viewing their Shorts and when they are losing interest thanks to these indicators. Businesses can find areas where their content may need to be improved in order to keep users interested by analyzing this data. Engagement metrics. Indicators of the effectiveness of YouTube Shorts advertising include engagement metrics like likes, comments, and shares. Businesses can evaluate how well their Shorts are connecting with their target audience. by monitoring these KPIs and modifying their content accordingly. In general, evaluating the effectiveness of YouTube Shorts advertising necessitates a data-driven strategy that considers a range of indicators. Utilizing YouTube analytics and concentrating on indicators like audience engagement and retention, companies can maximize their advertising campaigns and accomplish their marketing objectives. Case studies of successful YouTube Shorts advertising. Organizations of all kinds are becoming aware of the opportunity that YouTube Shorts advertising presents to expand their customer base and raise brand awareness. Here are a few instances of YouTube Shorts marketing strategies that were effective. Case Study 1, Samsung. Samsung promoted its newest smartphone model, the Galaxy S21, via YouTube Shorts. The business produced a number of brief films highlighting the capabilities and advantages of the phone. Bold text overlays and quick editing gave the videos an eye-catching visual appeal. In order to expand the audience for their videos, Samsung also employed trending hashtags. Millions of people watched the videos during the campaign, and sales increased significantly as a result. Case Study 2, Nike. Nike advertised their new running shoe range via YouTube Shorts. A number of brief movies that the company produced showed athletes jogging in beautiful settings while donning the shoes. With excellent film and a lively music, the videos had a striking visual aesthetic. Nike utilized social media influencers to further publicize the films. With millions of views and a notable spike in sales, the campaign's films proved to be a huge success. Case Study 3, Coca-Cola. To advertise its new range of flavored sodas, Coca-Cola used YouTube Shorts. A series of brief videos that highlight the distinctive flavors and revitalizing taste of the sodas were produced by the company. Bold text overlays and appealing music complemented the colorful and entertaining videos. Moreover, Coca-Cola promoted the videos on social media by working with well-known influencers. Millions of people watched the videos during the campaign, and sales increased significantly as a result. Ultimately, these case studies show how successful YouTube Shorts advertising is at boosting product awareness and brand recognition. Companies may reach new audiences and accomplish their marketing objectives by producing visually appealing and educational videos, utilizing trending hashtags, and utilizing influencers. Future opportunities for YouTube Shorts advertising. There are numerous chances in the future for businesses to use YouTube Shorts as a platform for advertising as it develops and grows. The capacity to target particular audiences according to their interests and behaviors is one such possibility. Businesses may build highly targeted ads that reach the right people at the right time by utilizing the massive quantity of data that YouTube collects about its viewers. Possibility of greater client contact and interaction is another opportunity. Businesses can take advantage of Shorts' growing popularity to produce more interactive and captivating content that appeals to their target market. Additionally, organizations might investigate the potential of using YouTube Shorts for influencer marketing. Businesses can reach a larger audience and establish credibility and trust with their target market by collaborating with well-known creators on the platform. For companies trying to reach a larger audience and market their brand, the future of YouTube Shorts advertising is bright. Businesses may keep ahead of the curve as the platform develops. By modifying their advertising tactics to capitalize on these emerging opportunities. Unlock your potential with our comprehensive course designed to empower you for exploring the world of YouTube Shorts for businesses by clicking the link given in description.